Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 5.2 magnitude felt in New Caledonia. Depth of this earthquake is 10 km and this earthquake felt on Wednesday, March 23, 2022. Local time is 10:57 p.m. Nearest volcano is Hunter Island, which is 68 km away from epicenter. Nearby towns and cities Isangal and Thana Island. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: overcast cloud, 25.5 degrees centigrade, 78 Fahrenheit, humidity is 65% and wind is 4 meters per second from southeast. Primary data source is United States Geological Survey. Estimated release energy from this quake is 1.11 gigawatt hours, which is equivalent to 951 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more update about earthquake.